Ready? Panchayati Raj was a pious dream of our great leader Mahatma Gandhi, who wanted to strengthen the democracy at the grassroots level by this system para. In our country, 70% of the population is in rural areas, and the panchayats have been the backbone of the Indian villages since the beginning of the recorded history. Full stop. The history of Panchayati Raj goes back since the days of our independence. Full stop. Efforts were made to strengthen the system of Panchayati Raj in order to give citizens a sense of participation in the nation building program. Full stop. It was in pursuance of this objective that community development program was launched in 1952. Full stop. It was an effort to provide and encourage development and employment in rural areas. Use of scientific methods of agriculture, encourage cotton and a small scale industries among other things. Full stop. To evaluate the effects of community development program, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was set up in 1953 that suggested setting up of Panchayati Raj institutions para. The underlying idea was to usher in an era of democratic decentralization. Full stop. Few other committees that were formed on Panchayati Raj were V.T. Krishnamachari 1960, Alsokh Mehta Committee 1977, G.V.K. Rao Committee 1985, L.M. Singhvi Committee 1986. Full stop. Finally, in 1993, through a Constitutional Amendment Act, 73rd Panchayati Raj institutions were established. Full stop. It provides for a three-tier structure of Panchayati Raj. Full stop. The district Panchayat or Jila Parishad, a block Panchayat at the intermediate level, and a Gram Panchayat at the village level. Full stop. In most of the states, members of Gram Panchayat constitute a body called Gram Sabha, and all the voters of this constituency are members of this body. Full stop. Gram Sabha is not a tier of the system. Full stop. It doesn't have any executive function and operates only as a recommending body para. Almost all the states have delegated powers and responsibilities in varying degrees to the panchayats. Full stop. Article 243G of the Constitution has broadly outlined areas of functions for preparing plans for socio-economic development of their areas. Full stop. These are explicitly highlighted in the 11th schedule of the Constitution. Full stop. The functions highlighted are ensuring safe drinking water, maintaining community assist, health and sanitation, rural electrification, physical infrastructure, namely roads, bridges, waterways, etc. Full stop. There are many changes that these institutions have brought about. Full stop. Under Articles 40 and 246 theory, the Constitution grants powers to the states to make laws to enable the functioning of the self-government units. Stop.